Spring and summer are coming up, which means the Dollar Tree is rolling out their seasonal mugs as well as their dishware, which I know everybody loves, their lemon decor or their lemon sets. So grab these because these go so fast. Every year they come and they go as quickly as they come. So welcome to my channel. I'm Sway to the 99, and in today's video I'm at the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into today's video and see what goodies we can find. And speaking of spring, look what they just brought out. It's all about the journey, these beautiful signage, and they have the welcome that has the truck. It says welcome spring, and this one also has the welcome, and it has the little flower kind of 3D raised out, and the same thing with the truck. And look at these. They have the fresh flowers truck, the red kind of bluish color. I like that one in the middle, and then the pink one. Oh, and then the purple one. What I like about these, they're not overly glittered, which is great because I know a lot of us don't necessarily want to go over the top with glitter. And they also have these little lanyards next to it. These are kind of fallish colors, little cute little bikes. And then they have the buffalo check. So I thought these were pretty interesting. They just had them next to the summer section, or summer/spring section. And look, the hashtag America. So it looks like they are definitely rolling out summer as well. I am curious to see if they're going to be rolling out any new summer. These definitely look like they're from last year's season, so they might just be rolling out a little bit of what they have left over from last year, but it will be interesting to see what new items we'll be expecting and if any summer themed gnomes as well. And of course, with spring season, they always roll out their gorgeous seasonal organizing sets. These are great items if you are looking to reorganize your closet, your pantry, your whatever it may be, your garage. Even if you have a stockpile, these are great little organizing tools. And as I say, for $1.25, they're actually really good quality, and I love the color variety. Very springy, very colorful. So I feel like these are good for magazines if you still have those, or even newspapers, or even just for your regular mail. So those are good, I think, for fruit. And then also I do have the cleaning bottles. These are the nice little spray bottles. And they do have them in 3 different colors. It's kind of a clear-ish. They also have the orange, and they have kind of this teal color as well. So good to get them now while you can. Let's continue on. And you guys, they had more signage. I feel like I've shown a couple of these previously, but they kind of made a whole little section here. So they have the home sweet home with the various signage, and they also have the little unicorn. These are adorable. I feel like these are more for little girls' room. And they have the flamingo. I actually know somebody who is a huge flamingo fan. Everything they have is flamingo. And they also do have these little ones with the hanging tassels. Let me know how you would be using those. And you guys, I'm so excited. I know some of you had been posting these, and I really thought they were only going to be at Dollar Plus. But no, they're actually here at a regular Dollar Tree. These are the 18 by 24 poster. So that is definitely a great deal. And they're pretty huge. So hope you guys snatch them up if you need to, or if you need them. And they restocked the little gardening section. This is the fairy garden. They have the little ice cream, the castle. That one back there is my favorite with the little, kind of looks like a, excuse me. What am I trying to say? It looks like a cupcake. And they have tons of the little gnomies. I know a lot of you love these. I do actually have a set from last year. These are definitely must-haves if you do have a little fairy garden. And this is also new. This is the flower market. I like this. Is very farmhousey. I'm curious to see if there's anything on the other side. Oh, it's the same one. Let's see. Flower market. Yeah. Okay. I know sometimes they do have a double-sided. And look, they also have these cute little magnets, better days ahead. And that one says, keep happy. How cute are these little magnets? That is so adorable. Definitely perfect for springtime. That one says, love lives here. Very cute. I love those. Very springy. You guys, I haven't seen anything new makeup wise in a while, and look what I just found as I was walking into the makeup section. Pop-up gloss. This looks like a really nice little kit. These are actually really nice. Look at that. Oh, Look at that. For $1.25, this is definitely a great deal. I think I'm going to be snatching one of these up for one of the Easter baskets I'm putting together. So definitely grab these. This is pretty cool. Again, I haven't seen these before, so let's kind of just peek into the makeup section and see if there's anything that kind of stands out. Again, they really haven't put out anything new in a while, so I'm curious to see if there's anything that we'll kind of find today. Ooh, little claws. Do have new nails. Let's see. They look cute little design, little leopard. And let's see if there's anything else. Again, this kind of looks a little bare. Oh, okay. So these, they definitely just swapped out the packaging. I know this used to be white and blue, and now they're changing it to the kind of a pinkish color. So it looks like they're just updating some of their packaging, but not really seeing anything like hot like we used to, especially with like the Flower Power makeup. And they are rolling out lots of summer items. These are definitely very outdoorsy, and these are definitely nice little summer activities. So I think we are going to be starting to seeing a lot more summer across the store. And I think I remember these from like, oops. I remember these from when being a little kid playing in the backyard. But I do like these, and they have the kites. Again, this is such great little accessories. Even if you want to start thinking about throwing things in for the Easter baskets, this may be a good idea, a good little filler. I know these are obviously intended for summer, but you know what? If you can have the kids hold on to these items for summertime, you can certainly throw them into their Easter baskets. And speaking of Easter baskets, these are also back. I know these are such a popular item, and I promise you guys, every time I see them, they fly off the shelf. So I would highly recommend you grab these and even throw them in the Easter basket as well. Just as a little filler. And they also brought these back again. These were really popular. These are just kind of like for like your keychain, kind of a smaller version of the little fidget. But again, nice little deal. For $1.25, they're not bad. And again, it does look very premium, very high end. And look, they have these cute little play clay hair stations. They remind me of the Play-Doh ones from when we were little. And then they also have these little fishing rods. Again, just thinking of little toys you can add into the Easter baskets. So just not include candy, but just thinking of just different ways to give the kids a little activity afterwards. All right, let's check out what they have in the Easter section as far as new items. These are definitely new to me. Have not seen these little towels yet. And let's see, they do have, this is the same one. Yeah, this is the same one. There is a second one behind it with the little bunny. How adorable is he? Oh, very cute. And I think there is a third one. Yep, I like that one better. It's very colorful. I do like the eggs. One thing I will just say is obviously these are not really intended for actual hand use. These are more just for decorative. But I'm just going to put those back how I found them. But in these, oh my God, these are so stinking cute. I remember seeing these, but I don't remember recording them. And I didn't realize that they had little sayings. This is so excited for Easter. Bunnies be hopping. And then they have this one with the chick. These are so stinking cute. And let's see, they have little cupcake papers. And let's look again. They are adding more items. We're pretty much in the full swing of Easter. These have the little ice cube molds. A lot of people I know use them for chocolates, so might not be a bad idea. And the little water bottles. And one thing I definitely want to show you guys is the little Easter buckets. They've added more. Let me know in the comment section, are your kids, if you have little ones, do they like the Easter gnomes, or is that just us adults who are into the whole gnome thing? Just curious. Let me know. But I do have to say that I am very impressed with their baskets. Are really made well. For $1.25, they're actually not a bad deal. So I do have to grab these soon because I know I'm going to have to make some Easter baskets and I don't want to run out of options, but definitely want to show you guys the ones that I'm seeing. And there seems to be some new ones, including these blue ones. This kind of give me the chickpea vibes. And let's see if there's anything else here. I was kind of just like to give a quick scope. Look what they restocked. They restocked the gnomes as well as the brown bunnies. So Bobby, I'm going to grab these for you, my friend. So be on the lookout for some friend mail. But yeah, definitely excited. I don't see any other new signage, so let's continue on. And these I definitely have to grab today because I know these are going to go fast. These are the Peeps Solo bag kits for the Easter basket. So these are going to go fast. I'm going to grab these right now. And this item, I'm so excited. I finally found it. I know I've been seeing it everywhere on Instagram, and I was like, I really want to see it in person. And I finally found them here in my store. I did have to come to a second location to find them, but hey, at least I found them. And they also do have these Peeps stickers, so pretty cool for $1.25. All right, let's see. These are so adorable. Again, finding some other signage. I like this one. Happy Easter with the bunny. Very cute. I like that. And this one is also new, I think, with the little pom-pom. Welcome. Every bunny welcome. I think I've seen that one. And this one I was so excited to find. Everybody's been showing it under crafting videos as well as Instagram. And I'm like, I just wanted to see it for myself. And I'm going to grab this one for myself because I actually really like this one. I'm probably going to just keep it simple, not going to like dress it up. Oh. There we go. So sorry, technical difficulties. And I did find more of these. I'm going to grab a few more because I ended up grabbing only one last week, and I realized that I probably need more for what I'm thinking of doing. So not bad. These are plastic, so they won't break on you. So I would definitely say grab them if you can. They are garland, and I do need more of these carrots. These are going so fast. Everyone is really liking this. I've been seeing so many crafting ideas with these, so now I'm getting tons of ideas because I do need to decorate my friend's fireplace as well as decorate my my coffee bar. And then they just have these again, the Happy Easter signage, and then of course the one with the carrots. So pretty cute. But I think I've seen this one. I'm not going to buy these. I feel like these are more kiddie-ish. I like to kind of go for something a little more adult feel. I know it's tough with Easter. And I know that you guys, everybody's going crazy for these. And I'm so glad they still have these. I am going to grab another set for a friend of mine. They saw my video last week and they were like, they were so amazed. They were just so in love with these. And I have to say, this one is definitely my favorite. The blue truck, simply because it matches the truck that I already have from the 99-cent during their 2 years ago fall decor. And look at this one with the carrots. Again, the carrots are really popular this year. So I'm going to be grabbing a set for my friend who will probably use this for outdoors. So I'm really excited. And you guys, as a quick reminder, I do have an amazing 99-cent only store walk. If you guys want to check it out, I will link the video down below. Tons of new items hitting spring decor. All right, so there is more of the Dunkaroo cereal. I did not buy this one just because I feel like it's too sugary, and I'm an adult. I'm like, I probably should be eating this cereal anyway. And another thing that caught my eye is that they have tons of these Swiss Miss. They're literally all over the store. I don't know if there's like some sort of clearance on it, but let's see. These are good until January of 2023, so they're good. That's a pretty good expiration date. And one thing I'm very curious about, can you let me know in the comment section, have you tried these before? Is it good? Did you like it? I'm just thinking of adding new accessories into my coffee bar, and these always catch my eye just simply because they're something I normally wouldn't buy, but just curious to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comment section. And I have one section that I always don't really film, but I always stop in, is the pet section. I always buy these for Maggie because she loves these, and I go through like probably one pack a week or so because she's always losing them. Oh, this one is cute too. I think this one is new. I am seeing some new items here in the pet section I had not seen, so I'm glad I decided to record it. And I do need one of these because her nails are getting long, so I do need to clip her nails again. And let's see, the mesh knot chew. Okay, so they are adding some new items in the pet section. Let's see. It's tough though, because as much as I like Dollar Tree, there are certain items that I feel like don't last very long. Like these little rods don't last long. This right here, she broke it like in a second, so I wouldn't buy it again. And this is for doggies. But yeah, no, I have a cat, so no, she can't eat that. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am going to come back this week. I do have some additional bonus videos, so be on the lookout. Before my 99, I may have one or two more videos, so I hope to see you then. Until then, have a great one.